All right, so I'm gonna mix in one of my favorite chemicals and I wanna share with you how I do it. So in this video, if you're curious to know how I dilute Green Star, which is an amazing product for detailing for exterior and interior, stick around because I'm gonna share with you how I dilute to 20 to 1. And you're gonna be amazed how easy it is. Let's go ahead and get to it. So we have a 5 liter, so it's a 1.3 gallons of concentrate right in here. And I'm gonna be diluting it and I'm gonna fill up this 5 gallon. So why do I use Green Star? Well, one is because it's highly dilutable. And as you guys can see, we're gonna dilute this to 20 to 1. So that means we're gonna be filling this, this gallon with 4 gallons of water. And we already have Green Star in here and it's only 25.6 ounces of Green Star, guys. And it's gonna give me 5 gallons. Then we're gonna be able to have this for some other time. So we'll put this away. And we're gonna have 5 gallons, which is gonna last us a very long time for our detailing business. So how do you dilute it? We're gonna need some distilled water. Now you can use tap water if you want to, but in this, I like to use distilled water because it lets the chemical do its job and you won't have to worry about minerals. Distilled water is just a pure water, no minerals added. So we're gonna go ahead and first add that in. And we're gonna be doing this for all the 4 gallons. Now, if you guys are wondering where did I get these gallons, this 5 gallon jugs, I will be leaving all this in the description down below. But I got this from Car Supply's warehouse. So if you guys want to go ahead and pick them up, you can pick up this 5 gallon, and then you can also pick up Green Star, dilute your chemical, and you'll be good to go. So that here, this is going to be the 4th one here now. We got 4 gallons of distilled water. All we need now to give us a dilution of 20 to 1, we're going to be needing 25 ounces of Green Star. So let's go ahead and just pour it in. And you have yourself Green Star diluted to 20 to 1 in a 5 gallon jug here, guys. So just imagine how long will this last you. Now, what you can use Green Star for, which what I use it, is going to be for pre-washing. You can also do maintenance wheel cleaning. 20 to 1 is a great wheel cleaner when it comes to maintenance. And then also you can use it for the interior. Nothing wrong with using Green Star interior if it's diluted properly. So if you want to go ahead and use that for a very strong, good cleaner, then if used properly, you can go ahead and use this as well. So, so that is it, guys. That's pretty much how you can dilute Green Star 20 to 1. Very simple, very easy. I will leave this. I'll leave the description down below. Grab this at Car Supply's warehouse, as well as Green Star. Mix it in today. Go ahead and mix it up. Save yourself some money and get some great results. If you guys have any questions about diluting, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll go ahead and help you guys out. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.